Hello everyone, I'm Mahfuz from Shenzhen Horror Technology Company Limited. Now I'm going to introduce you with our selling wireless AP. This is W618 AP. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and it is designed especially for wireless coverage, high performance and high capacity. It is suitable for Wi-Fi coverage in medium and large hotel, enterprises and other places. This W618 AP can work simultaneously in the 2.4 GHz 5G frequency band, and the wireless speed can reach 1800 Mbps. It is equipped with a powerful Qualcomm main control chip and large operating memory. And it also has 5G priority and weak signal elimination. The optimal channel can be automatically selected based on the environment and where the AP is located. It can avoid co-frequency interference, ensure wireless stability and thereby improve the performance of the entire wireless network. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.